Hey guys, right. This was actually an interesting one. One of my students has the new Ray-Ban Meta video glasses. She brought them with her and just put them on randomly and just said, yeah, you know what, I'm going to try and record what I can see. And I was like, actually that's quite cool. Send me those videos. Let me see, and I'll have a look. And I thought it was quite cool. I mean, the video stabilizes quite well. You get a good idea of where the student is kind of looking. And it's just something different. It's not. I was almost tempted that I should buy it and just give all my students these glasses to wear during their lessons. Um, um, but yeah, I just thought you guys can have a look and see what they are seeing. Obviously, you guys are also in the same scenarios so you know what they're generally looking at. But you can see the amount of observations a student does here is quite impressive. Yeah, just for something different. I've always been tempted to sort of get some other cameras to sort of to have a look around, but this one was quite handy actually. I thought it's literally like you're looking at their eyes. What the person's eyes are looking at. So really, really good. Something different. Just hope you guys enjoy it, and all the best with your tests. The video quality is a little lower because they sent it to me on WhatsApp, and then I've had to download it, so obviously it gets downgraded. So the video quality is meant to be in like I can't remember, 4K or something like that. So it's only just an issue because I had to go through a different like WhatsApp and stuff to upload the file. Had to do it again. Turn right. It's good if you record this sort of stuff.
Yeah.
It's really good. Turn right.
Turn right. Checking. Right.
Good. Okay, so stay straight. All the way to the end. Yeah? Okay. Now you also have to worry about that car as well, true? But I don't know what they're doing. They seem like they're waiting for a while, so... Okay.
No, I can
Good.
go.
Double check. Look. Now you see this van slowed down. So
that
when
means
there must be
something.
something coming. Exactly. So that's what I was looking at. Okay. So there's so many things that can give you an idea of what's happening. Quicker back. You have to try and stay inside the line as early as you can. Okay. When the vehicle's coming. Okay.
Yeah, lane
So,
changing.
so look at the cars in front. Brake a little bit. Have a look at this car. Yeah? See if they're going to let you go. Make sure you don't push in. Pushing in is not allowed. You see that? You're making them stop.
Oh, that's not good.
That's not allowed, no. It's their lane, okay? Keep going straight.
Okay.
Like for example, you open the door at home. I can't force myself in. True? You're like, Ahmed, what are you doing? Yeah?
What's supposed to do?
You wait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Because
Or,
they are speed
turn
up.
left. Yeah, you wait or you don't do it.
Okay.
Yeah? It's the same as, like when you're walking in the shopping centre, yeah? And somebody walk in front of you, like, oh, what are you doing?
Okay.
Yeah?
But how can I know if they are?
So, in the mirror, when you see somebody coming like this, closer,
That's not good.
that's not good. They're faster than you. If you see them staying where they are, then
That's
no. So when it's safe, go into the middle lane.
Okay.
So, side mirror. See that car coming? He's fast.
Yeah.
Then you should not go in front.
Yeah. But already.
No, you can't move first. Make your decision first.
Okay.
Yeah, slow down. Now this car's faster. It's illegal for you to go past him.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually technically not illegal, but it's like really not good. Okay.
Yeah.
And it's not allowed on the driving test either. It's called undertaking. Yeah, you cannot go faster than the car who's on your right hand side. Okay, so I had to brake there for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Another fail.
No, it's okay, but like if they do, say the speed limit is 40, yeah?
Yeah.
If they do 30, you're
Yeah.
stuck to 30.
Okay.
Yeah?
So it always
To the end of the road, turn right.
turn right. Edge.
It's so cool. You have to send me the video.
Yeah.
So Don't rush. You saw that car before. Yes?
But I was thinking
Go on.
maybe I can squeeze in, but not take risk.
Okay, so in the end, you made the correct decision. Yeah, not to
Yeah.
go, okay? Now look at that bus, he might come out. So plan ahead.
We go straight, right?
Yeah, but good. Oh. See, should have thought about that. Make sense? Good. Now see if he lets you go. Look. Ready? Push.
Yeah, he lets me
Yeah,
go.
good. Stay away from the cars. That's the thing
Yeah.
you want to do. Good. And then,
Okay.
make sense?
Yeah.
And then you come in. So you don't have to worry about the lines or anything like this. Now,
Okay.
yeah, you can send me the video. That'd be quite cool.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I can show you what I see.
Yeah, that'd be so cool.
Okay.
That'll be actually good. So now, good. Shoulder, shoulder, very good. Perfect. Amazing, good. In car parks like this, they're always busy. So constantly looking, checking around. That's it. I had it once where a student was reversing, and at the same time, someone else started reversing,
Oh,
and
that's
the
not.
examiner had to stop them.
Yeah.
And it happens sometimes. It's just, it was just typical that one moment. And they were looking as well. It just happened together.
Okay.
Good. There we go. Well done. So if you got enough space, that's it. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Check around. That's it. Good.